This week on Studio 209, we take you to Open Cockpit Day. Studio 209 is sponsored by City of Turlock Municipal Services, the Stanislaus County Fair, 209 Magazine. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Studio 209. I'm Eddie Ruiz. This week we take you to Open Cockpit Day at the Castle Air Museum in Atwater. And apparently there's a lot of planes. That's what I've heard. That's what I was told. Planes, and more planes. And Evelyn Hernandez makes her debut as well. Let's check it out after a word from our sponsor.
Even with the recent rains, it's important to remember that California is still in a drought. For homes with odd-numbered addresses, watering is allowed on Wednesdays and Sundays. For even-numbered addresses, watering is allowed on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And beginning June 1st, watering is prohibited from the hours of 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. For more information on the city's watering schedule and how to conserve water at home, visit the City of Turlock website at www.cityofturlock.org.
Evelyn Hernandez here. We're at the Open Cockpit Day at the Castle Air Force Museum in Atwater.
This is a major fundraising event for the Castle Air Museum, and it helps to maintain the museum operation and of course also help with the ongoing preservation of these historic aircraft.
How many people do you get here that come annually for this event?
We can get upwards of close to 4,500 to 5,000 people in one day, and they come from all areas, from throughout the Central Valley, north and south in the Bay Area, and even from out of state.
So I see that we have many planes here. Which one is your largest plane here?
The largest plane here is a plane that's called the B-36 Peacemaker. The wingspan is close to the length of a football field.
Wow, I would say that is pretty darn big.
As a matter of fact, it's so big that it takes a crew of 22 to man it. So it's got 10 engines on it, and the wings are over 7 feet thick, so people can actually crawl out in the wings while it's flying and make sure there's no fuel leaks.
How rare are these planes?
Well, to give you an idea, during World War II, there were planes that were built by the tens of thousands. Some of these airplanes here are the last 3 or 4 examples in existence, and they were salvaged from diverse locations, I want to say the deserts, weapons ranges, and even from Bolivia. There's 70 aircraft out here from about the past, close to 80 years. Oldest airplane out here was built in the late 1930s, and the newest built in the 90s. Proceeds to this event will go toward the ongoing operation and maintenance of the museum. Since we're in about 31 acres and we are a non-profit, we receive no government assistance. 98% of what you see out here is volunteer effort. We're pushing forward. The key to preserving these historic aircraft and sentinels of our history is putting them in buildings and in a hangar, which that makes us an all-weather venue, and it allows for the permanent preservation of these aircraft. Once an airplane comes out and it's on exhibit, it requires constant attention because of the elements. We have the sun, the heat, the rain, the wind, and it all incurs corrosion or deterioration of some sort. So that's what we're hoping for. So if there's any large donors out there, or people who love history and love airplanes and want to honor our veterans, we'd love donations to our hangar building projects. It's really a walk through time. A walk through, I'd say, the 20th century.
Be sure to come out to the Castle Air Force Museum if you haven't been here before. Evelyn Hernandez with Studio 209, and that's a wrap.
Tweedledee-dot, tweedledee-dot. Gimme, 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 gimme all the love you got. I got him back in my arms again. It's magic, you know. We were dancing like we made a star.
Imagine the memories at the Stanislaus County Fair, July 8th through the 17th.
Good job, Evelyn. Looking good out there and looking buff as well. I gotta say that. Maybe you can give me a couple pointers sometimes, just saying. Don't forget, you can check out this episode and all episodes again at 209magazine.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe exclusively at the Turlock Journal YouTube channel. Our very own Angelina Martin's going to check out the Apricot Fiesta next week, and you're not going to want to miss that one. Why? Well, because I said so. So for everybody here at Studio 209, I'm Eddie Ruiz, and we'll see you next time.